What if greener leaves, stronger stems, and nonstop blooms could begin with just one simple spoon? What you're about to see feels like nature quietly waking up before your eyes. Weak plants start looking stronger, dull foliage turns rich green, and healthy new growth appears where you least expect it. Take 1 liter of water and add 1 tablespoon of oats. As you stir, this turns simple oats into a rich source of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and many trace elements that plants love. These nutrients begin releasing into the water, helping support healthy root development, greener foliage, and stronger overall plant growth. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix well. Sugar helps feed beneficial microorganisms in the soil. These tiny helpers work around the roots, helping break down nutrients and creating a healthier growing environment for your plants. Keep stirring until everything is well combined. Then let the mixture rest for 2 to 3 hours so the nutrients can infuse into the water. After that, strain the liquid. Pour this fertilizer slowly around the base of your plants. As it reaches the soil, the nutrients from the oats help support stronger roots and healthier growth, while the sugar encourages beneficial microbial activity that improves soil health naturally. You can also spray a light amount on the leaves. This gentle application helps plants stay fresh, vibrant, and full of life while supporting healthy development above the soil. Use this natural fertilizer once every 15 days on tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, flowering plants, herbs, and indoor plants. Over time, you may notice greener leaves, stronger stems, healthier roots, and more vigorous growth throughout your garden. Give this simple fertilizer a try and watch nature reveal its quiet magic. Happy gardening!